Hi everybody. Everybody, I'm back. And today Gina Young is going to show you all how to make a very quick, simple, yet so tasty macaroni salad. Summertime is around the corner. It's time to start barbecuing. It's time to get out there and go on a nice picnic. It's graduation season. It's time for macaroni salad. I have one of the best recipes out there. I'm going to show you all how I make it. Here's what you will need. You will need onions, preferably a red onion just because it's beautiful. But if you don't have a red onion, or for some reason you don't like red onion, it's absolutely fine that you use any type of onion you'd like to use. You will need a nice juicy tomato. Make sure that you rinse all your vegetables off. You will need a green bell pepper as well. You will need elbow macaroni, and we're going to use a 16-ounce box. We're going to use that whole box. You will need sea salt to season, cracked black pepper, and mayonnaise. Now, I'm using Duke mayonnaise today. I switch between the two. I'll use Duke's, and sometimes I'll use Miracle Whip as well. I know a lot of you that follow me and follow my channel, you don't see me use Miracle Whip a lot. But when I make macaroni salad, I will definitely use Miracle Whip or Duke's mayonnaise. All right? Now, once I taste it, I'm going to see if I feel like I need a little bit of sugar. Sometimes I will put a little bit of sugar and a tiny bit of vinegar in it. But what we're going to do is we're going to taste it first. After we mix it together, and if I feel like I need the vinegar and sugar, we'll put that in. All right, so over here, I have some water that's getting ready to come to a boil. And I also have eggs boiling. I have 3 eggs that are starting to boil. Well, they're boiling now. And when they're done, I'm going to rinse them under some cold water and get those peeled up because they belong in this salad as well. All right? So then, once our water starts to boil, we'll get our noodles in. I'm going to go ahead and salt the water. Anytime you're making potatoes or noodles, you always want to salt your water. Absolutely, you have to. Okay? Just like so. As soon as this comes to a boil, we'll get started. Okay, so I know that some of you are going to ask me about the pan that I'm using. This pan that I'm going to use today was given to me for my birthday from Dion, my son. And it is the Pioneer Woman, Ree Drummond's. This is her Dutch oven pan. And this is my first time using it. And I'll keep you all updated and I'll let you know how I like this pan. I believe he got this from Walmart. Okay, now when we wait on our water to boil, let's go ahead and cut our veggies up and get those done and out the way. When I cut my veggies, I like to have my veggies kind of medium, not too big, not too small, kind of just right, okay? No one wants to bite down into huge pieces of raw vegetables, so cut them sort of small, okay? I hope you all are having a great day today, a great work week. Tomorrow is Friday, the weekend is near, and I'm so excited. The weather's supposed to be rainy here, but that's okay because God is still good. Absolutely. I think this is enough onion here. And I'm going to try to chop mine up a little bit finer. All right, just like so. If you all haven't seen my video sorry about that. If you all haven't seen my video for the guacamole, today I made guacamole and I uploaded that video. The guacamole was absolutely amazing. The guacamole is gone. We ate it all. And what a great recipe. What an easy recipe. It's a lot of fun to make. And every time it turns out just perfect. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. Okay, we're going to go in and we're going to Slice up some of the bell pepper. If you wanted to use a different color bell pepper, absolutely you can. Okay? Me personally, I grew up with my family members using the green bell pepper, tomato and onion, and they used Miracle Whip for the dressing. So I'm used to using the green bell pepper. I'm going to cut this up just like so as well. Our water is just about ready to come to a boil. So after I chop this, then we'll put our noodles in. When's the last time you all had a nice bowl of macaroni salad? I love macaroni salad so much, I can take macaroni and salad and get me a sleeve of crackers and just eat that whole thing of macaroni salad. I love it. And what I love about macaroni salad is the tomatoes. For some reason, I feel like when tomatoes and mayonnaise and noodles mix together, it makes a marriage, a match in heaven, and it's delicious. Absolutely it is. Anytime I have a barbecue, we have a cookout, some type of party, in the warmer months, we always have to make macaroni salad. We always have to make potato salad. The potato salad that I make, the one with the lemon in it, that's the one that my family loves. And some of you might say, Gina, the potato salad with the lemon in it, where did you get that from? I tell you what, I've been making it that way for quite some time, and I just can't stay away from it. I am addicted to my potato salad that has the lemon in it. The lemon gives it a flavor that people, they just can't wrap their brain around it. It's kind of like they taste the potato salad and they say, ooh, you know, kind of like that. As soon as they taste a bite of it, they say, ooh, what's in this? You know, and really it's the lemon that I let sit in the potato salad overnight, and it really gives such a beautiful flavor. My mouth is watering thinking about it. Absolutely it is. I'll have to make some potato salad. The other day I made the Haitian potato salad that was absolutely outrageous. It was so delicious. I really enjoyed it. It's been a while since I've had Haitian potato salad. If y'all haven't seen that video, check that video out as well. I'm just going to go in, slice this bad boy up. Just like so. I like a lot of tomato in my macaroni salad. Sometimes people make macaroni salad and they put carrots in it. I don't like that type of macaroni salad. I really don't. I don't like macaroni salad that has shredded pieces of carrot in it. So if you all invite me somewhere and you're making macaroni salad and you put carrots in it, I'm not going to eat it. I'm not a fan of carrots. You see, I have a nice amount of tomatoes there just because I love the tomatoes in my macaroni. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Our water is just about come to a boil. We're going to get our noodles in. We've already salted our water. And our eggs are just about done. So then we'll be taking these eggs out. And I want to get those eggs in cold water so that I can peel them easily. Put your noodles in and give them a nice stir so that they don't stick together. Just like so. All right? There you go. My goodness. Okay, I'm going to deal with these eggs. And when I come back, our noodles should be just about done, and then I'm going to show you how to mix everything all together. Okay, everyone, our noodles are just about done. I'm rinsing cold water on top of our eggs. Here in a few minutes, I'll be back. Okay, everybody, our noodles have been drained and rinsed in cold water so that they can cool down, and we've peeled our eggs. Now what I want to do with the eggs is I want to go ahead and just chop them up. Just like so. No special way. Okay? All right, we're going to give them a nice chop. Hopefully I'm in the camera so y'all can see. Let me bring the camera down. There we go. And I'm just chopping it this manner. All right. You can slice yours if you like. It's really up to your discretion. I like to kind of have my egg pieces kind of big because I like to taste the egg. There's a lot of people, they like to cut theirs smaller because they don't want the big chunks. And that's just fine. It's really up to your discretion, however you want to do that. All right. We're going to slice this up just like this. Now this will go in last because we're just going to fold this up because we don't want to break up all of those beautiful yolks and the egg whites. We're just going to fold that in at the very last minute. So I'm just going to set this aside. And you can see that I brought the vinegar into the equation, and over here I have some sugar just in case I need it. All right, but I'm going to taste it first. Like I told you all earlier, we will taste this and see if we need it. If we don't need it, then hey, we won't use it. Okay, first thing I like to go in with my onions and peppers, just like this. And you put as much as you would like to have in yours. If you're really not a fan of onions, then here's the thing. You don't have to use it. Will it still taste good? Absolutely it will. If you wanted to use onion powder, you can do that. Okay? Beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and season, and we're going to put some cracked black pepper. Now here's the thing. You want to put a nice amount of it because you have a lot of noodles there. All right? That 1 pound box of noodles is going to feed quite a bit of people. That one box gives you so much. Now, if I'm doing a cookout, I'll usually do 2 boxes. And I'll boil about 7 eggs. Okay? And I'll typically use 1.5 large tomatoes, 1 big bell pepper, and maybe 1.5 onions. Sometimes I'll skimp on the onions because there's a lot of people that's really not fan, of onions. Okay, we're going to put this in. A little bit of salt, and we're always going to start off with a little bit. If you start off adding too much, remember, if you ever start off adding too much, you can never take away. But if you start out at a little bit, you can always add 2. All right? So then I'm just going to eyeball this, but in the description below, I'll let you know the measurements for everything that you will need today. Okay? So now, let's go in and we're going to give this a stir. Starting off with a little bit of mayo. Personally, when I have macaroni salad, I don't like for it to be too wet. I want it to have, a little bit of a dry sensation, but you want it to still be nice and creamy. I'll actually show you. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, let me set that there. Then you can go in, start mixing everything in, just like so. Now, if you're that person that's going to use the Miracle Whip, if you use the Miracle Whip, you will not need the vinegar and the sugar. All right, because that Miracle Whip has the sweetness to it. This Duke's mayonnaise, it's real mayo, but it's not sweetened like Miracle Whip is. Some people like to put pickles in here or sweet relish. And if you put the sweet relish in there, you don't have to use the vinegar or the sugar either. Okay? Now this is turning out just beautiful. I see that there's some noodles at the bottom that haven't been well incorporated. So I want to take that time and get this well incorporated. And then we want to give it a taste before we put our eggs in to see if you're going to need that vinegar. Now you don't have to have rice wine vinegar either. You can use any kind of vinegar. If you have apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, it's really up to your choice. All right, let me grab a spoon so we can give this a taste. Grab you some vegetables as well. I'm gonna look at me. I'm gonna take a nice bite. I've been eyeballing this macaroni salad. Okay, hold on. Delicious. My goodness. Ooh, that's delicious. But it definitely needs, and I'm done with the mayo. That's all the mayo we need. That's good. Ooh-wee, that makes me think about barbecue. I'm going to go in with the vinegar, and then I want to go in with the sugar as well. Okay? Is this going to taste vinegary? No, I promise you it won't. But it does give it that zing that you're looking for. Okay? Is the sugar going to make it taste sweet? Nope. I promise you. But it is going to give it that zing. Okay? Beautiful. And then I want to go in once again with black pepper. I want to be able to taste that black pepper on my noodles. Okay, and what you're going to have to do is taste it again. You always want to taste your food. If you don't taste your food, you won't know what it tastes like. You won't know if it needs more of this or that, or if you don't need any more of anything. So let's give this a taste. Let me grab a fork. I'll grab a different fork. All right, giving this a taste. That's it. All it needed was that vinegar, that sugar, made it just perfect. My goodness. Black pepper. I'm going to get me some Townhouse crackers, and I'm going to go at this macaroni salad tonight. You hear me? Ooh-wee. Okay, there's that. Go ahead and put your eggs in. Some people like to just kind of garnish their macaroni salad with the eggs in this manner, okay? But what I like to do, like I said earlier, I like to fold mine in. Being careful not to break up all of those beautiful eggs that you took your time to cut up. Just like this. Ooh-wee. Let me grab a different fork. Here's another one. Now I want to taste it after we put extra pepper and see if this is just right. That's it. Boy, that's good. If you all enjoyed this recipe, hey, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time Gina Young uploads one of these awesome recipes. Absolutely, why not? And as always, God bless each and every one of you. Thank you all for watching. Have a good night. Good night. God bless this meal. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for your love, time, your mercy, and your understanding. Thank you for your blessings, Jesus. We love you, we believe in you, and we have faith in you. And we thank you for your mercy. We thank you for the roof over our head and the food that you feed us daily. Amen. Now, I want to go in and I want to taste one more bite. I'm going to give you all a bite. And then I'm going to end my night until tomorrow. Let me know what you all think about this in the comment section below. Very quick and simple, very fresh macaroni salad in time for your next cookout. Doggone it. Woo, that is good.